This video is to educate ISOs on how to integrate a master payment terminal with a PIN pad. Before we begin, make sure you have two payment terminals side by side. In this video, we'll be using a P1 as the master and a P17 as the PIN pad. Now, let's see how to enable PIN pad integration. Log into the iPOSpace portal. Click on Steam. Then, edit parameters. Search for the TPN you want to enable this feature for. Click on Edit Parameter. Then, go to Integration. Choose PIN pad. Then, select the payment terminal that you want to use as a PIN pad. Don't forget to click Save for the changes to take effect. There are two ways to pair the terminals: through a shared Wi-Fi network or a USB connection. First, let's see how to pair them through Wi-Fi. Ensure that both terminals are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for pairing, as it allows both terminals to use the same IP address, which is only possible when they are on the same network. Then, connect the P1 and the P17 directly to a wall outlet separately using their chargers. Now, you can begin the pairing process by connecting the P1 to a Wi-Fi network to perform a parameter update. After downloading the parameters, this prompt will appear. Click here to start the pairing process. This is the PIN pad section of the settings page. Click here to proceed. Now, go to Settings on the P17. Select PIN pad. Then, PIN pad Wi-Fi. Enter the IP address from the P1 into the P17. Then, click the pairing option on both terminals to initiate the process. Both terminals are now connected to each other through Wi-Fi. Now, let's see how to pair them through a USB connection. First, you must unpair the terminals. To do this, go to Settings on the P1. Select PIN pad. Then PIN pad Wi-Fi. Click here to unpair the terminals. You can also unpair the terminals using the P17, but it is recommended to unpair them from the P1 as that will unpair both terminals at once. If you unpair using the P17, you will need to manually unpair the P1. If you wish to pair the terminals again, click here when this prompt appears on the P17. After unpairing, plug the P1 with its charger directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using a power strip or extension cord for better stability. This will charge the P1 while also allowing it to act as a power supply to the P17. Locate the attached Type-A cable on the P17. It extends from the top of the terminal. Connect this cable to the Type-A port underneath the P1. The P17 will automatically power on when plugged in. After unpairing, you will receive this prompt again on the P1. Just like before, the app will take you to the PIN pad section of the settings page. Select PIN pad USB cable. Now, go to Settings on the P17. Select PIN pad. Then, PIN pad USB cable. Then, click the pairing option on both terminals to initiate the process. Once the pairing is successful, you can initiate the transaction from the P1. The entered amount will be carried over from the P1 to the P17. The customer can then complete the transaction using the P17. Once finished, the transaction status will be sent back and displayed on the P1. The transaction is now complete. If you wish to unpair the USB connection, follow the same steps we did for unpairing them through Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.